Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Miss Aisha Riaz and I am your math teacher. So today we are going to start our new exercise number 1.2 of chapter number 1, which is sets. So I make a video. On that one video I solve all questions of exercise number 1.2. So now let's come to the video. Student, this is chapter number 1, sets, exercise number 1.2. Question is given that the set A is equal to FACE and B is equal to EGDF are subsets of universal set. U is equal to ABCDEFG. List the elements of A complement. So first we find out the A complement. A complement. Solution: A complement is equal to universal set minus A. We can say that this is the formula of complement. A complement is equal to universal set minus A complement. In a place of universal set we write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which is the universal set, minus A. A is equal to F, A, C, E. So in a complement we have a minus sign between them, so we cut out the same elements of a set. We cut out. F से F cancel, A से A cancel, C से C cancel, E से E cancel out. So remaining elements of sets are B, D and G. A complement is equal to B, D, G. This is the answer of A complement. We find out B complement, same as the previous method. B complement. Solution: B complement is equal to universal set minus B. In a place of universal set we write the element of universal set. B complement is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G minus B. In a place of B we write the element of B, E, G, D, F, and we cancel out the same element of a set. E से E cancel out, G से G cancel out, F से F cancel out and D से D cancel out. So remaining elements are B is complement is equal to A, B, C. So B complement is equal to A, B, C. This is the answer. Third part is A intersection B. Solution: in a place of A we write the elements of A and in a place of B we write the element of B. FACE and intersection sign as it is, and in a place of B we write the element of B, E, G, D, F. In intersection we find the common elements. So A intersection B is equal to, here we check which elements are common. F, A, no, C is not, E, yes, E is same, so we write F and E common elements, and this is the answer. A intersection B is equal to E, F. Question number 4, A union B. Whole complement. So first we find out the A union B and then we find the complement of A union B. So here we write solution. First we find A union B. So A union B is equal to FACE, which is the elements of set A, union sign as it is, and B, E, G, D, F. These are the elements of set B. So in union we write the whole set, both set in a arranged form. A union B, A के बाद C. In an arranged form we write the all elements of both sets A C D E 2 टाइम है, सो हम एक ही टाइम लिखेंगे। F भी 2 टाइम है, तो एक ही बार लिखेंगे। G एंड यस, वी राइट ऑल एलिमेंट्स इन अ अरेंज फॉर्म। इंटरसेक्शन में हमें कॉमन एलिमेंट लेने होते हैं और यूनियन में हमें जो है वो अरेंज करने होते हैं सब एलिमेंट्स को। सो नाउ वी फाइंड A यूनियन B होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट। सो A यूनियन B होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू सेम फार्मूला यूनिवर्सल सेट माइनस A यूनियन B। ऑलरेडी A यूनियन B हम फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं। सो इन अ प्लेस ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट वी राइट द एलिमेंट ऑफ यूनिवर्सल सेट। A union B whole complement is equal to universal set. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G minus in a place of A union B the elements of A union B. A, C, D, E, F, G. So here we have a minus sign between the sets of elements, so we cancel out the same element. A D से D, E से E cancel out, F से F और G से G. So only remaining element of a set is B. So A union B whole complement is equal to B. This is the answer. So student, I repeat it one time again. In an intersection, we take the common element. In a union, we write the element of a set in arrangement form. And in a minus sign, we cancel out the same element and we write the remaining element in a answer. इसे मैं उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ। इंटरसेक्शन में हम कॉमन एलिमेंट लेंगे, वो एलिमेंट जो दोनों सेट्स में हमारे पास मौजूद है, हम वो वाले एलिमेंट लिखेंगे जो कि कॉमन एलिमेंट कहलाएंगे इंटरसेक्शन में। और यूनियन में हमें दोनों एलिमेंट्स, दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज फॉर्म में लिखना है। और माइनस साइन, जिसमें माइनस साइन बीच में आएगा, सो माइनस साइन में दोनों सेट के अंदर जो जो एलिमेंट कॉमन आ रहे हैं वो कॉमन एलिमेंट, जो एलिमेंट इस सेट में भी है वही एलिमेंट अगर दूसरे सेट में भी मौजूद है तो हम दोनों एलिमेंट को है जो कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे और जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट होगा वो हम आंसर में लिख देंगे। पार्ट नंबर 5 इज़ A intersection B complement. So here we have a B complement. So first we find out the B complement, then we find the intersection B complement. So here we write first we find B complement. In a previous question we already find the B complement. Same, B complement is equal to universal minus B. This is the formula of complement. Universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G minus sign as it is, and in a place of B we write the element of set B, E, G, D, F. So we cancel out the same elements, G से G, F, D से D cancel out, F से F cancel out. So remaining elements are B complement is equal to A, B, C. Then we find the A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. B complement already we find out. In a place of A we write the element of A, F, A, C, E, intersection sign as it is. B complement. In a place of B complement we write the element of B complement, A, B, C. Intersection sign we have, so we write the common element. So we have only A element we have common in a both set A and C. So here we write the common element which are A and C. This is the answer. And part number 6 is A complement intersection B complement. In this question we have A complement intersection B complement. So first we find the A complement, then we find the B complement, and in the last we find the A complement intersection B complement. A complement is equal to universal set minus A, B, C, D. In a place of universal set we write the element of universal set, minus sign. In a place of A we write the element of set A, F, A, C, E. We cancel out the same element, A, C, C और E से E cancel out, and is equal to B, D, G. Then we find the B complement, universal set minus B. B complement is equal to, in a place of universal set, we write the elements of universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, minus sign, B, E, G, D, F. B complement is equal to, we cancel out the same elements. So remaining elements are A, B, C. Okay, we find out the A complement, B complement. In the last, we find out the, now we find A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. So here we write element of A complement B, D, G intersection and element of B complement A, B, C. A, B, C. In a intersection, we write the common element. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to. So in both side we have B. B is common element. So B is answer. A complement intersection B complement is equal to B. This is the answer. Part number 7 is universal set union null. So in a place of universal set, we write the element of universal set union sign as it is. In a place of null, we write a null. Solution: universal set union null is equal to A, B, C, D. In a place of universal set, we write the elements of universal set union sign as it is. In a place of null, we write null here. So in a union, we write the elements of both sets in a arrangement form. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G as it is. So this is same as the elements of universal set. So we can write in a place of A, B, C, D, E, F, G universal set. So universal set union null is equal to universal set. Part number 8 is universal set intersection null. We have intersection sign between them. So intersection sign, we write the common element. So here we write intersection null. Universal set intersection null. So there is no common element in both sides. So here we write null. Question number 2 is, given the sets A is equal to x such that x is positive even integer less than 10 and B is equal to x such that x is positive odd integers less than 10 are subset of universal set U is equal to x such that x is a positive integer less than 10. List the elements of. So A is equal to positive even integer less than 10. Even means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See here we write A is equal to positive even integer less than 10. Even means ke 2, 4 on a 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 is less than 10. And B is equal to odd integer, positive odd integers less than 10. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 is less than 10. So we write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd elements and universal set is positive integers less than 10. So positive integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is less than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we find out the elements of sets. So part number A is A union B complement. So first we find out the B complement. First we find out the B complement. B complement is equal to universal set minus B B complement is equal to, in a place of universal set, we write the elements of universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus, in a place of B, we write the elements of B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have minus sign between them, so we cancel out the same element. 1 से 1 cancel, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we write the remaining elements. B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Then we find the A union B complement. So we write here, find A union B complement. So here we write A union B complement. In a place of A, we write the element of A 2, 4, 6, 8. Union sign as it is. In a place of B complement, we write the element of B complement 2, 4, 6, 8. In a union, we write the elements of both set in a range form. So we have same element in a both. So we have a same element in a both sets. So we write it 1. Part number 10 is A complement intersection B. Student, you have to solve this question by yourself. I hope you can do it by yourself. A complement intersection B. First you have need to find out the A complement. Then you have need to find out the A complement intersection B. We have intersection sign, so we write the common element of both sets. I hope you can do it by yourself. This is your homework. Question number 11 is A complement intersection B complement. In our previous, we already solved the same question. So you have need to solve this question by yourself. First you have need to find out the A complement. Then you have need to find the B complement. Then in the end you have need to find out the A complement intersection B complement. So student, this is also your homework. Both questions, question number 10 and question number 11, you have need to solve by yourself. Part number 12 is A delta B. Solution. A delta B is equal to, in a place of A, we write the elements of set A 2, 4, 6, 8 delta. In a place of B, we write the elements of set B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have delta between A and B. In delta, we skip the common element and we write the different remaining elements. So in both set A and B, there is no common element. So we write the element of both set in arrangement form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A delta B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set A and set B. There is no common element between set A and set B. So we write the elements of set A and B in a arrangement form. I repeat it again. If we have a delta between A and B, so we skip the same elements. हम जो है वो सेम एलिमेंट्स को कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे और जो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स होंगे, जो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स होंगे, उसे हम एज अ आंसर लिख लेंगे. इस क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 A डेल्टा B में, देयर इज़ नो एलिमेंट्स इन A विच इज़ सेम एज द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ B. सेट ए के एलिमेंट सेट बी के एलिमेंट से मैच नहीं हो रहे, कोई भी एलिमेंट आपस में कैंसिल आउट नहीं हो रहा. दोनों सेट्स में जो है वह एलिमेंट्स डिफरेंट है, तो हमने दोनों सेट्स के एलिमेंट्स को अपने एज अ आंसर में लिखा, लेकिन इन अ अरेंजमेंट फॉर्म. पार्ट नंबर 13 A माइनस B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. B complement is equal to universal set minus B. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus sign as it is, and B. The elements of B is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we cancel out the same elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and we write the remaining elements which are 2, 4, 6, 8. So B complement is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we find A minus B complement. In a place of A, we write the elements of set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, minus in a B complement. In a place of B complement, we write 2, 4, 6, 8, which are the elements of set B complement. We cancel out the same elements, 2, 4, 6, 8. So there is no remaining element, so answer is null. A minus B complement is equal to null set. Part number 14. A complement delta B. Part number 14, A complement delta B. So first we find the A complement, then we find A complement delta B. First we find A complement. A complement is equal to universal set minus A. In a place of universal set, we write the elements of universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus, and in a place of A, we write 2, 4, 6, 8. A complement is equal to, we cancel out the same element, 2, 4, 6, 8. So remaining elements are, 9 is also here. Remaining elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So A complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then we find A complement delta B. A complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Delta B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In delta, we skip the same elements and we write the different elements. So in both set A and B have the same elements. So there is no different element between them. So we write the null. A complement delta B is equal to null. Part number 15 is A complement intersection B whole complement. So in this question, first we find A complement, then we find A complement intersection B, and at the end we find A complement intersection B whole complement. So student, you have need to solve this question by yourself. Part number 17 is if set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, show that A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. So in this question we have need to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first we have need to find right hand side. First we have need to solve right hand side, which is A delta B. So पहले हम A delta B find out करेंगे, then we will find the right hand side. Right hand side is A union B minus A intersection B. So right hand side में सबसे पहले हम A union B find out करेंगे, then A intersection B, and at the end we will find A union B minus A intersection B. And then we will check left hand side has the same answer as right hand side. If both sides have the same answer, so it means we verify, we prove our question correctly. Student, this is your homework. You have need to solve this question by yourself. In previous questions, we already learned about the how to find A delta B, how to find A union B, how to find A intersection B. So if you have any problems, you can see previous video of this section. So you have need to solve this question by yourself. Part number 18 is if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, show that A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So this question, in this question we have need to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. First we have to write proof. First we take left hand side. Left hand side is A delta B is equal to, in a place of A we write the elements of set A 1, 2, 3, 4 delta. In a place of B we write the elements of set B 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have delta between A and B. So we skip the same elements and we write the different elements. A delta B is equal to same elements are 2, 4. So we write 1, 3, 6, 8, which are different elements. A delta B is equal to 1368. Then we find left hand side. So now taking right hand side. Right hand side is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So first we find A minus B. A minus B. In a place of A we write 1, 2, 3, 4 minus and B, which is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So we cancel out the same elements, 2, 4. A minus B is equal to 1, 3. We subtract B from A. So we write the elements of set A. 1, 3. B minus A is equal to B is 2, 4, 6, 8 minus A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Same, we cancel out the same elements. B minus A is equal to 6, 8. 6 and 8 are the remaining elements of set B. Then we find A minus B union B minus A. So we already find out A minus B and B minus A. A minus B union B minus A. In a place of A minus B, we write the elements of A minus B, which are 1, 3 union and B minus A is equal to 6, 8. A minus B union B minus A is equal to 1, 3, 6, 8. Because we have union, in union we write the elements of both sides in a arrangement form. So A minus B union B minus A is equal to 1, 3, 6, 8. So left hand side and right hand side, both sides are equal. So hence proved. Left hand side A delta B is equal to 1, 3, 6, 8, and right hand side, which is A minus B union B minus A, is equal to 1, 3, 6, 8. So both sides have the same elements. It means we prove it correctly. Part number 19 is if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Show that A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B. In this question, we have to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is A minus B and right hand side is A minus A intersection B. So to solve this question, first we have to find out. First we need to solve A minus B, which is left hand side, and then we will find the right hand side, which is A minus A intersection B. And at the end we will check left hand side has the same element as the right hand side. If both sides, left hand side and right hand side, have the same elements, it means we prove it correctly. So students, this is also your homework. You have to solve this question by yourself. Question number 20 is if universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20 and A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 20 and B is equal to 2, 6, 8, 10, 14, 18, verify De Morgan's law. So De Morgan's law, we have part A and part B. Part A is equal to, part 1 is equal to A union B whole complement, which is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and part 2 A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. So here we have to verify the De Morgan's law. Part number 1, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Student, you have to solve this question by yourself. First, part number 1, A union B whole complement. So first you have to solve left hand side, and then you have to solve right hand side, which is A complement intersection B complement. In previous question we learned about how to find A union B, how to find complement, how to find A intersection B. I hope you can do it by yourself. Part number 2 is A intersection B whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. So in part number 2, first you have to solve left hand side A intersection B whole complement, then you have to solve right hand side, which is A complement union B complement. Then you have to verify that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Student, I hope you can do it by yourself. This is your homework. You have to solve it by yourself. Question number 21 is verify the commutative property of union and intersection for the following sets. Set of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set of B is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. So in this question we have need to verify the commutative property of union and commutative property of intersection. So first we have need to discuss what is commutative property. Commutative property is A plus B is equal to B plus A. It means if we add A plus B or if we add B plus A, so in both condition we get the same answer. Either we add A plus B first or either we add B plus A. In both condition we get the same answer. I explain this in Urdu. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी वो प्रॉपर्टी होती है जिसमें हम A प्लस बी करें या फिर हम B प्लस A करें. इन बोथ कंडीशन दोनों कंडीशन में हमारे पास सेम आंसर आए. मीन्स के पहले हम 2 + 4 करें या हम 4 + 2 करें, दोनों कंडीशन में हमारे पास आंसर 6 आएगा. सो हियर वी राइट कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन एंड यूनियन. Intersection and union. So first I write commutative property of union. A union B is equal to B union A. If we solve A union B or if we solve B union A, in both condition we get the same answer. Commutative property of intersection is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. If we solve A intersection B or if we solve B intersection A, in both condition we get the same answer. So student, you have need to solve this question by yourself. First you have need to find commutative property of union, which is A union B is equal to B union A. First you have need to solve A union B, then which is left hand side, and then you have need to solve right hand side, which is B union A. Left hand side and right hand side, in both condition you get the same answer. And commutative property of intersection A intersection B, which is equal to B intersection A. This part you also have need to solve by yourself. So student, you have need to write down all questions and the homework which I given on this video. So you have need to write down all the questions in a fair form on your register. Student, I hope you all are understand all the questions of this exercise. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask in a Google Classroom comment section and mark your attendance on a Google Classroom comment section. So now we will meet in the next video. So till Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.